Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. I am Rishika Pasiban, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today's topic is diatoms and its forensic importance part 1. So basically in part 1 we will study about the diatoms, and in the second part we will study about its role in forensic science. It is a very interesting topic and it will surely clear all your doubts about the topic at the initial level. Let's have a look at the content. Introduction of diatoms, definition of diatoms, classification of diatoms, structure of diatoms, types of diatoms, reproduction in diatoms, and last but not the least, the question. Definition. Diatoms are a major group of algae, specifically microalgae, found in the oceans, waterways, and soils. They make up a significant portion of the Earth's biomass. They are among the most common types of phytoplankton. Diatoms are unicellular organisms. They are the only organism on the planet with cell walls. They can form colonies characterized by particular shapes, for example, stars, fans, and ribbons. Classification of diatoms: domain Eukaryota, kingdom Chromalveolata, phylum Ochrophyta, class Basilaeriophyceae, order Centrales and Pennales. Diatoms are usually referred to as golden brown microalgae due to the color of their plastids and their pigment composition, mainly carotenoids, that is fucoxanthin, diadenosanthin, and diatoxanthin, which mask chlorophylls A and C. Diatoms require high levels of silicon as an essential nutrient, and since they are photosynthesizing organisms, diatoms also require sunlight. They are a major source of atmospheric oxygen, responsible for 20 to 30% of all carbon fixation on the planet, and also act as environmental indicators of climate change. In ecology, diatoms are used to monitor the water quality of large water bodies. Diatomaceous earth. It is a powdery substance made from the fossilized remains of a single-celled algae. Diatoms are protist. By the word protist, we mean to say that they are eukaryotic, which means they have a nucleus, they have a mitochondria, which is also called as the powerhouse of the cell, and also they all prefer aquatic or moist environments. This class of organism is distinguished by the presence of an inorganic cell wall that is composed of silica. Characteristics of this division includes endoplasmic cyst, they store oil rather than starch, a bipartite cell wall, and secretion of silica. Structure. Size about 2 to 200 micrometers. Cells are typically circular. Some cells may be triangular, square, or elliptical. In diatoms, the site of photosynthesis is yellowish brown chloroplast. They are often referred as jewels of the sea or living opals due to their ornate silica outer shell known as frustule. Frustule can be defined as the hard and porous cell wall or external layer of diatoms. This cell wall is primarily composed of silica, which is hydrated silicon dioxide made from silica acid, and is coated with a layer of organic substance called pectin, a fiber most commonly found in cell walls. Pores, ribs, marginal ridges, minute spines, and elevations can be seen on this silicous wall, all of which can be used to describe genera and species. Diatom cell consists of two halves, where each half essentially contains a valve, a flat plate, and girdle, which is a marginal connecting. Two halves are hypotheca and epitheca. Hypotheca is slightly smaller than epitheca. A diatom cell includes nucleus, nucleolus, Golgi complex, cell wall, pyrenoid, chromatophore, vacuoles, cytoplasmic strands, mitochondria, and walls. Types of diatoms. Diatoms are divided into two main orders, which are centrales and pennales. Centrales are also called as centric diatoms. They are also referred as biddulphiles. They are radially symmetrical. Pennales. Pennales are also called as pennate diatoms. They are also referred as basilaerials. They are bilaterally symmetrical. The diagram represents a bilaterally symmetrical pennales and radially symmetrical centrales. You can have a look at the diagram and understand it. Reproduction in diatoms. Diatoms divide and reproduce by a process called as vegetative division, which involves the division of a single cell into two new cells. During the reproduction cycle, the new cell is formed inside the parent cell. The new cell is smaller in size given that it forms within the mother cell that has a rigid cell wall that does not expand. By the process called as mitosis, the diatom cell divides into two new cells, which is the daughter cell of the same size and other is the daughter cell of smaller size. As you all know that we have come to the end of the video, so it's time to check how much you have learned. The question is, golden brown color of diatoms is due to the presence of dash. Option A is mycoxanthin, mucoxanthin and myxoxanthophils. Option B is alpha and beta carotenes and myxoxanthin. Option C is fucoxanthin, diatoxanthin and diadenosanthin. Option D is none of the above. Do post your correct answers in the comment section below. In the previous recorded video, the topic was essential elements of crime. The question was, what do we mean by actus reus? The correct answer is option C, the physical or external part of an offense. We have also given the answer of this question in the description box.